Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account and 2FA. Now create your API key. Go to the developer console and generate a key, choosing permissions based on least privilege. Once created, copy it and immediately store the key in a secure vault or an environment variable on your machine. Don't paste keys into repos. Make sure to label the key clearly for rotation schedules and note its expiration. This prevents accidental overprivilege and simplifies later revocation. Now integrate the key into your application. Reference the environment variable or secret manager rather than embedding the value. Configure the key with scoped permissions so the service only allows needed actions, which reduces blast radius. Once configured, run a test request against staging or sandbox endpoints and inspect headers and response codes to confirm auth works. If you see 401 or 403, double-check scopes, time sync, and any IP restrictions. Iterate until the requests succeed. Deploy your app using CI secrets so the key is injected at build or runtime. Never commit keys. Make a rotation plan. Rotate keys every 60-90 days or after any exposure, and automate rotation where possible to avoid downtime. Monitor usage and set alerts for abnormal patterns. If a key fails in production, check logs for 401/403 codes, verify server time skew, confirm scopes and IP allow lists, and as a last resort, revoke and issue a new key, then update and redeploy securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.